Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap right now, we're currently sitting at $2.07 trillion. We're down 2.6% in the last 24 hours, and BTC dominance is currently sitting at 48.1%. If we're looking at the overall markets in the last 24 hours, we are starting to see a lot of red across the board, and that is due to the fact that Bitcoin is very unstable right now, and it's currently trading at $52,000 as of now. As I mentioned in my previous video, we do need this correction. This is absolutely normal in a bull cycle because, as you guys may know, we have been seeing a lot of green across the last 2 months. So some sort of consolidation and pullback is very much needed before we do see newer highs. But today I want to talk about none other than ADA. Alright guys, if we're looking at ADA's price right now, ADA is currently trading at $1.21. It's down 2.9% in the last 24 hours, but it's up 1.8% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. Current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is top 6, and market cap right now for Cardano is $38.6 billion with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.5 billion. If we're zooming out, in the last 30 days, we're up 9%, and in the last 7 days, we're down 17.1%. But I want to share some articles with you guys, and then we will do our price analysis where I could personally see Cardano go in the immediate short term. All right. So Cardano Development Company launches hiring spree ahead of smart contract rollout. IOHK, the company behind ADA, is posting new job openings ahead of August launch of the Alonzo upgrade that will add smart contracts functionality to the seventh largest cryptocurrency. We're hiring as we draw even closer to rolling out our smart contracts on Cardano. We're seeing a huge spike in developer interest. Exciting times, so we're building a new dedication team to help properly serve the fast-growing community and help bring them on board. The firm is looking for a Haskell consultant for the professional services team to design and implement smart contracts for its enterprise clients. You must understand the Cardano platform well enough to be able to advise on, build, and troubleshoot applications. This role involves working with business customers and require creativity, eagerness to learn, and complex problem solving. Part of the role consists of meeting clients, understanding their business model, and solving their problems using blockchain technology. So that is very, very exciting in my opinion. And another article I want to share with you guys is Now Payments integrate Cardano with its payment system creates a plugin for Shopify. Now Payments, the easiest way to accept Bitcoin and altcoin payments, has integrated Cardano with its payment system and also created a plugin for Shopify. This new development was shared with the community via the Cardano subreddit. This official marks the first ever e-commerce payment platform to accept the digital token ADA for Cardano merch. Shout out to Now Payments who have integrated Cardano with their payment system as and also created a plugin for Shopify, officially the first ever e-commerce site to accept ADA for Cardano merch. This is what the Cardano subreddit stated. Crypto Supreme, a veteran of owned a merchandise company that brings amazing high quality Cardano ADA IOHK Amerga products, also confirmed the development in a tweet. A couple hours ago. So now you can purchase ADA clothing on Shopify, and you can pay in ADA. That is very interesting. If you're an ADA holder, why not pick some ADA gear up? So yeah, that's very, very interesting in my opinion, and I had to share that with you guys. So now if we're going on the price, guys, price is doing same thing as yesterday. If we're looking at it, we're still below this very crucial trend line, the upwards trend. this is the upwards trajectory. But we're still trading within this range of the strong support that is around that $1.03 range, and the strong resistance, which is $1.48. So we're still trading within those range. So I believe that is a bullish sign in my opinion. As you guys may know, I have covered this over and over again. There's a major strong, resistance. Resistance around this $1.50 range. We try to break it, not only once. We tried to break it once. We tried to break it twice. We were able to break it the third time. We hit a new all-time high of $1.55, but we were unable to, hold above this resistance. We came back down, but this is due to the fact for the Bitcoin pullback as well. Like Bitcoin having a correction, as you guys may know, it is not stable, so it does take the altcoin markets down with it, and Cardano is no exception. So I believe this is due to that fact as well. If Bitcoin was stable, I believe we would have already hit the new price target, like a newer high for ADA. But we have to be prepared for these kind of pullbacks and corrections, because nothing goes up straight forever, and this is very healthy in my opinion, before we do see newer highs. And whales can manipulate the markets, and we cannot control that. So this is why you should always have some sort of exit strategy in place, guys, and take some profits and scale back in when we do see these dips, because there will always be a dip, and always invest what you can afford to lose. I cannot stress this enough. So let's look where we could see ADA go in the short term. All right, so if we're looking at this right now, there's a lot of support around that 0.50 level. As you guys can see, there is major support around this level. As you guys can see, tons of support. The initial dip that we saw, we came down and we were bought back up very quick, so it held very strong. This 0.50 level, it holds very strong in general. This is a very crucial support, like in general, for the Fibonacci retracement. And same with the second pullback that we had. We were we held around here. We did not break it below, and still we're hovering around this range. There's a strong support around this level. Despite the fact that Bitcoin is very unstable, it is still holding around these levels, which is the bullish sign in my opinion. But let's look at the bearish scenario right now. So let's say Bitcoin just has a flash crash out of nowhere. It pulls down to 45K, and whales manipulate the markets. People take profits. We could definitely see. We can definitely expect. ADA to hit that 61.8 level, which is a dollar. There's crucial support around this level. If it breaks that, 78.6 is a good level, and I could see it hold around these levels. I do not see it falling further down below. I just do not see it falling further down below, unless Bitcoin goes down even further. Then yes, we always gotta keep both things in mind. But I believe 78.6 would be where it would be bought back up very quickly. So that would be the bearish scenario. The bullish scenario is same as yesterday in my opinion. If Bitcoin stabilizes around here, but it all depends on Bitcoin at this point. If Bitcoin were to stabilize and trade sideways for a while, and just consolidate, and then find like its new spot to consolidate, I believe altcoins, not only Cardano, I believe altcoins in general will rebound, and ADA will smash past its all-time high, I believe, and hit that $3 mark. $2 mark. That's my next target for ADA. And that right now currently is, if we measure that, that's currently 67% away from its all-time high. So first, obviously, we would have to need to break the newer all-time high, which is 31.6% away, and then we will smash past that $2 mark. In my opinion, $2 is my next target. If we're in the bullish territory, and that's only going to happen if Bitcoin were to stabilize. And I believe ADA will touch that in the next next month or so. May for sure. I'm very confident, but this is just my own personal opinion. Only time will tell. As you guys may know, what ADA really is doing, a lot of institutional interest coming, and a lot of you guys know what ADA is doing. It's a big ETH competitor, and a lot of people are, starting to realize that it could honestly has a potential. It has a high potential to take over Ethereum in the next 3 years, as long as they keep delivering what they're doing. Ethereum has scalability issues, and I do not see those issues going away even with ETH 2.0, and I believe ADA is the next big thing that is coming, and that is about to take over Ethereum. As you guys may know, a lot of developer interest is coming in ADA, because like I said, Ethereum has its own scalability issues, and that's why we are seeing a lot of other blockchains such as Solana, Polkadot, Cardano, even Zilliqa, and like a lot of interest coming from these developers into these blockchains rather than Ethereum. So that itself is very bullish. And obviously a lot of institutional interest coming into ADA as well. They offer double staking, earn passive income, and if we can see, it's the most staked asset by crypto, like in crypto assets, like staked by value. $27.9 billion worth of ADA is staked, and that goes to show how much people really are interested in ADA, and they see the future. All the people staking, majority of the people think long term. They're not in it for the short term, they're in it for the long haul, and they see the future. And I honestly see the future as well. If you guys have been following me on my channel, you guys know my stance on ADA. I honestly see it taking over Ethereum in the next 3 years, as long as it keeps delivering what they're doing. But again, this is just my own personal opinion. Only time will tell. And these corrections do not matter. These are absolutely normal. And if we were to see these price ranges again, I personally will be accumulating around those levels just to make my bag even larger. But only time will tell. Everything is looking fine in my opinion right now. Nothing to worry about. This is normal. We do see pullbacks in the markets. If you are new to the markets, this might be very this might be very scary for you guys, like having a pullback. But guys, this is very normal. I have even seen 30 to even 40% pullbacks in bull markets. So always invest where you can afford to lose, and always like do your due diligence before investing, and hodl if the hodl in the money that you have invested that you can afford to lose. Patience is key. A lot of people are complaining, oh, markets are over, markets are dipping. I would like to say to those people, please zoom out and look at the bigger picture and see how far the project really has come. Even before these rallies, there were price corrections, and nothing went up straight forever. So this is very normal before we do see newer highs, and always have some sort of exit strategy in place, because nothing goes straight up forever. There's a perfect example right in front of you guys right now. So it's always good to have some sort of exit strategy to take some profits and scale back in once we do see newer highs. But I believe if Bitcoin were to stabilize and trade sideways for a while, and we were to see a spike in volume to kick in, we will see newer highs for ADA very soon. I am thinking May would be the month for ADA. But again, only time will tell. And that's it for today's video, guys. But yeah, before I leave, I want to say thank you so much for all the viewers, like all my subscribers that have been showing me so much support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Like, I really do appreciate it. And yeah, guys, stay safe out there. Safety is important, health is important, and family is the most important thing, and everything else absolutely comes later. And I am going to wrap up today's video around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.